What's up guys, Naveen here. Today I am back with a new video. In this video I am talking about how to create a logo. Logo is a must in today's time. If you are having a YouTube channel, you need a logo, your thumbnail, you need a cover page, you need an album. If you are designing your website, making a website, you also need a logo. If you are creating a blog, writing blog, you need a logo. Almost logo is needed everywhere in today's time. There is an app called Logopit Plus, hence you can download it from the Play Store. I have downloaded it. I will give the link in the description. Let's start how to create a logo. Okay, let's start creating a logo. Open the app Logopit Plus. It's the best app. Select create new. Okay, select what do you need. Logo, actually Twitter cover, Twitter post, YouTube cover. Select a poster, Facebook post, Instagram post, anything which you want you can select as per your requirement. Let's say I will create a logo only. Add a logo. Logo means what actually I am needed. Animal, art, background, business, dating, environmental. Let's create holiday logo. I will take, let me take this one. Okay, you can adjust the size, you can drag and drop, you can give your color, adjust your color. Let's give red, keep it red. Okay, you can edit, you can put a 3D, you can rotate, crop, you can enlight, you can add the effects, which font you want. Let's type the text. I will need some India tour. Let's type India tour. Right here, India tour. It's your wish how you can create, how better you can create. It's your idea, it's on your knowledge. Everything here. You choose your font, color which you want. Let's do India tour, this one. Okay, you can give the background, which background you want. You can design. It's on you how you can design, how better you can design. All the fonts are available here. Many more logos are there. You have to just select your logo and edit. Let's like this one. Let's take this color. Okay, you can tilt it however what you want. You can adjust your text, you can however you want, you can create. After creating, you can add 3D effects how you want. It's up to you how you can create. Okay, I have done it. After doing, you can lock the savers, hence it cannot delete or it cannot erase. I will lock both of them. If you want, color done, everything done. Okay, let's save it. I have done. You can create new, save as option is here. You can save, download JPG. You can select your image size which you want. Let's say I will select 1000. Alright guys, now you can create your own logo or anything you want. If you like my video, subscribe my channel Naveen K Minds.